Hey guys, it's Kel and Rio, and welcome back to my channel. Holy heck, as if, I always say that, don't I? Holy heck, I don't know why. But as if this whole COVID and coronavirus and all this crazy stuff isn't crazy enough, we here in Ohio had a tornado touchdown last night. It was insane, because if you live in Ohio or in the area, you would know that it was a really nice day yesterday. Like, it was really nice weather. My family and I were outside. We had some beers outside, and we were sitting on the deck. It was beautiful weather yesterday, and around 11-ish, it suddenly started raining, like super bad raining, and then suddenly everyone's phones start blowing up. And we have messages to seek shelter immediately because there is a tornado touching down. Sirens are going. It was insane. So, first thing I did is... my hair is so horrible. First thing I did is I rushed upstairs, grabbed my carriers, and got all the birds in their carriers. Got them all put in their carriers. I already just said that. And went down the basement with them. Got them down the basement. The wind was horrible. It literally, when they say a tornado sounds like a train, it had the train sound. And I told my dad, because he's standing there looking out this big picture window. I'm like, get away from the picture window. It sounds like a tornado out there. And I recognized the sound because I actually had lived through another tornado when I was a kid. My mom and I were home, and tornado ripped through our yard then too, pulled the tree up by the root, whole thing. So I instantly recognized the sound, and I mentioned it, and then I went down the basement because the birds were flipping out. So this whole thing went on, and come upstairs and notice that trees are, finally when it's all over, come upstairs, trees are ripped up. It was insane. It was like, wait a second, really? Now this is happening? Go over the top of one of our trees, completely was cut off. Went into another tree that we're actually not sure if it's our tree or my neighbor's tree, but our tree did kind of help push that tree over. And then standing outside, we're looking at this. This is after everything had settled down. It was just raining. And we are looking at, the damage. My neighbor came out, and we were looking at the damage, still keeping our 6 feet social distancing. And suddenly the sky is lighting up all these crazy colors. Transformers blue. Power's out. So we spent the rest of the night like this. We lost several trees, we lost power, and this is our night currently. Thankfully, we had those little lanterns that you've seen in the picture, or in the video I just posted, or added in here. I can't talk, I swear. The stress is killing me here. But lost my train of thought. We had the little lanterns, but it was pitch black. And if you know from my It's the End of the World video that I posted, my family and I had stocked up on some extra food and supplies in order to avoid going to the grocery store. So then we're freaked out, like all the stuff in the deep freezer and the fridge and everything. So it was pitch black, all the power's out, we're freaking out about the food and the power. So we decide to just go to bed. Power was still out when we got up the next morning, which is today. So this happened on Tuesday night, and I'm filming this video on Wednesday afternoonish. So I didn't get to have coffee. That's also why I'm such a scatterbrain, because I didn't get to have coffee this morning. I could make it now. But thankfully, a little bit ago, around noonish or so, I want to say, the power came back, or close to 1ish, noon 1, somewhere in that time. The power finally came back on. But here is some clips of the damage. I took a little walk this morning to kind of take in all the damage. So here's some clips of all the damage. Holy fuck. So a tornado whipped through here last night. That was my neighbor's fence. Was being the key word. And live wire down over here, which came down because we lost a tree. Tree came right down. Thankfully missed my neighbor's cars. Well, that was our tree there. It's over here. So bad it ripped part of it out of the ground here. And that is the top of that tree. We got this whole mess. This doesn't look as bad on camera, but we'll go down and see some trees over there. This little fence didn't fare well. That didn't fare well. This is all of our deck furniture. It's not as bad as it looked last night, but still pretty bad. Come down here. Have no idea where that branch came from. Got a whole tree down over there. This is actually after quite a few people have been out cleaning up too. That tree's definitely down. More bunch of trees down over here. Let's take it down. Oh, and did I mention we have no power? Yeah. We lost all power too. Here's the stream. We got like a surplus of down trees over here. As you can see, neighbors are cleaning up. Another tree over there. That tree, you know. Neighbor's mailbox. Oh my. This person's lost a tree. Took down part of their house too. Looks like another wire over here. Looks like we got another downed wire. Yeah. That don't look too good. Not sure how I missed that, but there's an entire tree down over there. That got all ripped up. There's another view of our tree that came down. I actually don't know if that's our tree or our neighbor's. live wire above us. No idea what that is. It literally splintered part of that tree and I got lifted up. But it looks like it tried to lift it out of the ground. Holy heck. Yeah, I tried to lift that tree out of the ground. That tree came down. More people stopping to take a look. Came down. See more trees up here. That looks wild. Somebody. More downed trees. And there's just pieces of people's like houses just everywhere. Somebody lost a bunch of roof shingles. Oh, and see that tree? It literally is up by its roots. It got ripped out of the ground. More branches. That over there is our neighbor's boat. Well, was. It's kind of flipped over now. What do you think? Was it scary? You hid under the bed and wouldn't let mommy get you. Was it a scary tornado? Hey, don't you look away from me. Hey. Hi. Hello. How are you? You're a good cat. So we're gonna head out and take a little drive around and check out the extent of the damage to our little town here.
The side of the house got ripped off, Tim. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Look at their power wires.
Yeah.
Oh, one of the dogwoods came down over there.
Oh, no. She wants to cross the street, but you're not going in front of me. Look at this. Look, they got this all wired off here for some reason. Look at his car.
Oh, no.
Look at that's a new Ford. Look at the other car.
Oh.
Oh, bad news bears. Look at the wires. Look how low the wires are. Look at the telephone pole. What are they happening over here?
She's got people just chopping up the wood.
Look at that. Tree fell through the fence. What?
That tree.
Whoa. Oh, my. Look at this. We thought we had it, but look at all down there. It's all fucked up.
They said it ripped through the square.
My, look at the roads closed up here.
Yeah, so I said there's not a lot of roads you're not going to get down.
How bad is it down here? Uh-oh, look what we're involved in. Did they see
somebody's gutter is up in a tree over here?
All the way on top of the house. Oh no, those poor people. Look at them up here doing all this shit on top of CBS. Oh, look at that right through the house.
Oh no.
Oh no. Look.
Apparently the roof got
just
ripped up by the roots.
Look at that, Calvin. You see that?
Look at that, right by the roots.
And through the whole top of the house. And look at the other one just missed. It did hit that building too.
Oh, another one back there.
Another one over here too.
Oh, wow.
Jeez, look at over there. Oh, they got hit bad. Those poor people. This. Look at over here. Look at, oh my gosh. Everything got it on this side over here. They're holding that telephone pole up, like they're putting a new pole in right there. But look at it over there, up there.
Look at that house right there.
Hit that house. Did it hit on that other old house too?
Yeah.
It looks like I should be able to go this way. Trees down over there. Not much. Yeah, there's trees down there too. Look at this. How could it cover such an area?
I don't know. this is where they stored the salt, and that's the tarp's completely gone. The cover.
Oh boy, they got a bunch of trees down on top of their garage.
Trees down.
Blues. And then look, all these boats. Oh, they're trampoline. Look at this. This is down. This is down. See, we're getting back into some serious shit. Look at the fence area's all fucked up over there. Their fence got ripped down too.
We got some lights and stuff flashing up here. Oh.
Oh yeah, look, this is major up here.
Bunch of stuff's
Look at
down.
the road. It's
Apartments
look at the
over
big
there.
trees down. Look at them all sidings off that house.
We got a tree down over here. Sidings down off that house.
Oh, it's a circle. Look at that. They obviously had a tree come down. Oh my. Look at this. Part of this tree's down. That tree's down. None of these people have gotten there. In their backyard, it's been really bad. You look in the backyard back there, all those trees are just fucked. Look at them all back there. The tops are all ripped
look
up.
At that.
Apparently, it went through the backyard. See, look, look at this guy's house. His
Oh,
roof
my.
is almost all apartments. They just clipped all these trees over here. See, that's what we were seeing. The background was all these trees on this street. Oh no, I'm getting out of here. That goes like straight through solid traffic. Oh my. Look at that. This is bad. We gotta get out of this whole area. Oh my, these poor people. Oh yeah.
Editing Cal here, popping in to just mention how grateful we all are that it really is not nearly as bad as it could have been, considering a tornado touchdown. Like, it could have been so much worse, and we really are all really grateful that that was all that happened and that nobody was hurt. Everything's fine, and I just want. Alright, so this video was all over the place. I'm sorry, I'm such a scatterbrain, and this is just not a very good video. I'm just. I promise I will be getting back to normal bird and pet content soon. It feels so trivial making videos about like just cute animals and just like random stuff with everything that's going on in the world right now. But I am going to get back to filming those videos soon. Thankfully, as for the tornado, thankfully no one was hurt. Our house wasn't damaged. Everyone's fine. The animals are safe. And nothing that can't be replaced. It was just some broken furniture and some downed trees, which natural disaster, you know, whatever. But it was just wild, and I wanted to share those clips in that little mini story thing. So that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, bye.